Hello guys! Welcome uli dito sa aking channel. Today we're going to unbox itong aking na-receive na regalo. Regalo sa akin to ng asawa ko. Itong regalo niya sa akin na Dex binili sa Fully Booked. So, shout out kay Fully Booked. SM, hindi po ito sponsored guys Baka naman Fully Booked. Palaging dyan ako binibilihan ng asawa ko ng Dex. Ng mga regalo niya sa aking Dex. So, thank you sa aking mapagmahal na asawa for gifting me these Dex. So, ayan. Ano ko lang, baklasin ko lang to guys, yung receipt. So, ito i-unbox natin yung Dex na mga na-receive ko as gifts. Okay. Tanggalin ko lang yung staple tsaka yung resibo. Ayan. Ayan ha. Baka sabihin ni Fully Booked hindi Fully Booked ko. Ayan. Ayan. This is from Fully Booked. Fully Booked. Baka naman. No, sana wag nyo i-discontinue Fully Booked itong mga Dex ninyo kasi kayo lang yung nakukuhanan namin ng Dex dito na maganda yung pricing compared sa ibang local sellers. Kasi iba mahal mahal ang nila. Sa Shopee meron pero may mga mahal din. Pero kasi understandable naman guys dahil galing pa yan overseas. Okay, usually galing sa US. Depende, like Hay House. Hay House is a publisher from Australia. Depende kasi. So, si Llewellyn, hindi ko alam kung saan ba siya based. So, ayan, packaging ni Fully Booked. So, minsan may mga pag bumili ka ng book sa kanila, may free sila. Ayan, Fully Booked. Ito na, yung binili ng mister ko. Ito, guys. We're going to unbox this. Kasi gusto na rin makita ng asawa ko. Excited na rin siya makita yung Dex. Ayan. So, another pocket-sized deck. The Pocket Animal Spirit. The Wild Unknown Pocket Animal Spirit Deck and Guidebook by Kim Krans. Harper One. So, this is published by Harper One. The same. Tignan nyo to guys. Kinumpleto na ng asawa ko yung Pocket Animal Collection. The Wild Unknown Pocket Tarot and The Wild Unknown Pocket Animal Spirit Deck and Guidebook. So ito, matagal na sa akin to and favorite ko to. No? At first I wasn't drawn sa mga animal decks. Pero I was very surprised nung ginamit ko to. No, ewan ko, kakaiba. Parang ang sarap niyang gamitin. So, this is the pocket-sized Wild Unknown Pocket Animal Spirit Oracle cards to, guys. Meron na itong full-sized, yung kit. Parang pareho rin ni Wild Unknown Tarot. So, this is made by Kim Krans. Created by Kim Krans. Ayan, nakita nyo tuloy yung presyo. Ayan. So, in Canada, costs around $24.99 and in the US is $19.99. Okay. So, that is one. Tapos, itong second deck is a tarot deck naman, which is The Witch of the Forest Tarot Magic Deck. So, ayan. Yan ang packaging niya. Ito yung front ng box, sides. So, nakabalot naman siya. Maganda. Wala namang dent. Minsan, iba-iba. Ayan. Depende sa kung saan galing, tsaka kung paano yung packaging nila. Ayan, shrink wrap. Usually ito nasisira. Pero ito medyo makapal, parang plastic cover. Hindi ko alam kung si fully book na ba ang nagbalot nito or dumating to ng ganyan talaga. No? So, ito yung sides. 78 cards, of course. Rider-Waite system. Ayan. From the author and illustrator of the best-selling The Witch of the Forest's Guide to series, this stunning set of cards is the ultimate tarot deck for modern mystics. Ayan, The Witch of the Forest and Forensics and Flowers proudly present the Tarot Magic deck with cards based on the classic Rider-Waite-Smith system. This magical, easy-to-decode deck is the perfect first deck for beginners, and its unique illustrations will also appeal to experienced tarot readers and collectors. This deck includes 78 tarot cards, a booklet of the meanings behind each card, and some sample tarot spreads. So this is published by Leaping Hare Press. Okay. So ayan, I will make a separate video guys for the unboxing of these two decks kasi magiging mahaba. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. See you again sa aking next video.